Carolina, including the following county: York. When? Until 1 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Wednesday. Impacts: flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Numerous roads remain closed due to flooding. Additional details at 6:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Gauge reports indicated heavy rainfall of 2 to 4 inches over the past 18 hours. Flooding is ongoing across many locations in York County. Some locations that will experience flooding include Rock Hill, Southwest Charlotte, Fort Mill, McHale, Clover, Newport, Lake White, Jones, Kings Mountain State Park, and Bethany. Flooding is most likely along the Big Dutchman Creek northeast of Rock Hill. Expect flooding to continue along Gallup Road and West Oak Road. When it is safe to do so, please report flooding or landslides threatening roads or property to the National Weather Service Greenville Spartanburg by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101, by posting on our Facebook page, or via Twitter using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the specific location where impacts occurred and the depth of flooding observed. Turn around, don't travel when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.